Hello, Wisconsin landlords, it's May, which means the spring semester is officially over. If you own rental properties near any of our college campuses, you are probably in the middle of what we call student housing burnout. And for many, the reality of the annual move-out is setting in. While college rentals can look incredibly profitable on a spreadsheet, the reality of the annual May move-out tells a very different story. Today, we are taking an honest look at the true cost of student turnover. First, let's talk about the physical toll on the property, and on you. Student housing doesn't experience normal wear and tear. It is a constant cycle of abandoned furniture, mysterious holes in the drywall, ruined carpets, and broken doors. As a landlord, you aren't just collecting rent. Every May, you suddenly become a junk removal service. And let's be honest, the security deposit rarely covers the actual cost of the materials, let alone the value of your lost weekends. Then there is the hidden financial cost, the lost month, because of the intense deep cleaning, painting, and repairs required to make the unit livable. The property often sits vacant for weeks. That is a full month of lost rental income that eats directly into your annual return on investment. You are essentially paying the mortgage out of your own pocket while doing manual labor just to get the house back to baseline. You became a real estate investor to build a legacy and achieve financial freedom, not to spend every spring hauling away broken futons. If you are feeling burned out, you have options. You don't have to fix the drywall, you don't have to clean the carpets, and you don't even have to haul away the trash. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we buy Wisconsin rental properties exactly as they are. We take over the mess and you get your weekends back. If you are ready to graduate from the student housing cycle, we are here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. We make selling easy so you can start fresh. We're Fair Deal Home Buyers, and we're here to help you move forward.